Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed to TASC Tulip Festival in Niagara-on-the-Lake, a colorful springtime event full of flowers, fun, and photo ops. We'll also explore the charming streets of Niagara-on-the-Lake afterward, so stick around for all the tips, pricing, and what to expect. The TASC Tulip Festival takes place at 1173 Line 3 Road, right in the heart of Niagara-on-the-Lake's wine country. It's easy to find and has free parking right on site. Tip: arrive early to beat the crowds and catch the best morning light for photos. Once you arrive, you're greeted by acres of colorful tulip fields, over 2 million tulips in full bloom. It's an Instagram dream, but also a peaceful place to stroll, take family photos, or just admire the vibrant display. There are walking paths through the tulip rows and designated photo op areas, perfect for selfies or portraits with the flowers. Tip: wear boots or closed-toe shoes. It's a real working farm and can be muddy after rain. As you can see here in the video, the ground is pretty rough. At TASC, it's not just about looking. You can pick your own tulips to take home. Every ticket includes 10 free stems, and they offer complimentary wrapping services so your bouquet stays fresh and pretty. There are also snack vendors, picnic areas, and rustic seating if you want to relax and take in the views. Tip: bring a water bottle and sunscreen. There's not much shade in the fields. Admission is typically $20 per person, and kids under 3 get in free. Tickets include entry to the tulip fields, 10 tulip stems to pick, free flower wrapping station, free on-site parking. You can buy additional stems at the exit if you fall in love with more. Tip: book tickets online in advance. Weekend time slots sell out fast. After our time in the tulip fields, we made our way to Niagara-on-the-Lake's historic old town, just a 10-minute drive away. We explored cool shops, grabbed some ice cream at Cows, and walked along the roads. The town is full of charm, from old working buildings to peaceful park benches with lake views. Tip: stop by a local winery or grab fresh baked goods at one of the bakeries. A perfect way to cap off the day. From colorful tulips to lakeside charm, our visit to the TASC Tulip Festival in Niagara-on-the-Lake was the perfect spring escape. Whether you're here for the flowers, the fresh air, or the small town charm, it's an experience you won't forget. Drop a comment below if you've been or if you're planning to go this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more nature-filled adventures.